We're here on the third floor of the HDU building, and I'm with our good friend Scott Miller, the king of torque and horsepower. Scott, I got a Milwaukee 8 touring bike. I love it. I just like some more power. I've taken a look, and it seems a little complex as to what I need to do to get where I want and the power I need. Can you help me?
Yeah, definitely, Martin. It can be complex, and that's why with Screamin Eagle upgrades, we've simplified the approach. So we've simplified them into stages 1 through 4, each offering a different level of performance improvement, a different investment.
Scott, there's a lot of aftermarket options out there, so why Screamin Eagle? What other benefits do we have?
Yeah, that's a good point. That's something that a lot of people don't think of, is that with Screamin Eagle, the integration into the motorcycle is something that's unmatched. So these are by Harley-Davidson 4R motorcycles. Nobody else can say that. Another thing is there's no risk with Screamin Eagle upgrades. So if you stick with the 50-state US EPA compliant solutions, your warranty remains intact.
That's great news, Scott. But there's got to be a catch. There's got to be a downside to this. Is it really that simple?
There's no catch, Martin. These are no compromise upgrades. I mean, the horsepower and torque we deliver with these upgrades is unbelievable. We're talking about 25, 35, 50% horsepower improvement on top of that Milwaukee 8 that's already a great engine. And think about it this way. A lot of you have ridden the stage upgrades on a touring model from Milwaukee 8. Think about those same upgrades on a Softail. This is a bike that weighs about 200 pounds less than a touring model. The power to weight ratio on that is unbelievable. I mean, it's like leaving your passenger at the starting line, right?
Exactly. Mr. Torque and Horsepower, that's great information. And I think what I heard is Screamin Eagle your touring bike and go out and buy a Softail and Screamin Eagle that.
Screamin Eagle for everybody.
Screamin Eagle everything. I love it.